I'm going to show you two more problems. So this next one says angle A and angle B are complementary angles. If the measure of angle A is x plus 8 and the measure of angle B is 8x plus 1, then find the measure of angle A. So this is where your vocab comes into play first. Again, vocab, vocab, vocab. What does complementary mean? Well, you need to know that complementary means add to 90 degrees. So the measure of angle A plus the measure, that's A, the measure of angle B should equal 90 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute what they tell me angle A and angle B equal, the expressions. So for angle A, in parentheses, I'll put x plus 8, close that parenthesis, plus for angle B, I'll use parentheses, 8x plus 1, close parentheses, and that should equal 90 degrees. Now, because there's no subtraction going on, because there's no numbers in front of these parentheses, you don't need the parentheses, right? This is just straight addition combining our like terms. So here, I'll combine this x and this positive 8x. This is a 1x, so 1x and 8x is 9x. I'll combine the 8 and the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. And that equals 90. I will then subtract 9 from both sides. Again, this is just solving a basic two-step equation. The 9x comes down, these 9's cancel, equals 90 minus 9 is 81, and then I'll divide by 9. 9's cancel, x all by itself, and x is 9. So now, to find the measure of angle A, I'm simply going to take the value of x, which is 9, and plug it in. So the measure of angle A equals 9 plus 8. And that's 17 degrees. And there's your answer for the measure of angle A. I'll go ahead and type in 17 into this box. And let's submit and hope we're right. Boom, green check mark, makes me feel good. All right, last problem coming. All right, so this is an angle bisector question. All right, so it says you are shown angle OPQ, and its measure is 90 degrees. Oh man, we got a 90-degree angle. Good for us. Draw your best estimate of an angle bisector of angle OPQ by clicking and dragging a ray out from the vertex P. To be marked correct, your drawing must be within 5 degrees of the correct bisector. So again, it says click and drag to draw a ray from the yellow dot. So I'm estimating where R should be so that it splits. So this ray PR splits the angle into two congruent angles. That's what bisect means. And I'm looking at that green, or that I think it's green and purple, those arc regions, to see where I think it's about equal. And I think it's about right there. Okay. Now, again, this might take you 1 or 2 tries. Don't feel bad if you get it wrong the first time. I tried it without the video, and I got it wrong the first time too. So again, it's about estimation. But I think that these two angles look about congruent. So I'm going to submit my answer. I'm going to click yes, cross my fingers, and boom. And look at me. I think it's because it's a 90-degree angle. So don't feel like you're going to be exact all the time. But I did get it right because the dotted red one is their correct answer. Mine is the orange. Down here, it says you drew a perfect angle bisector. All right, now I don't want to be perfect because no one's perfect. So let me do this again. New problem. Okay, good. So this is 94. So let me do it again just to show you that I'm not perfect, right? Okay. So I think that's about right. So we're going to submit. Yes. Okay, and now here, better, right? So this is the red. This is the correct one. Here's my orange one. That's off. So now down here, notice, it says the perfect one would result in this, right? So 94 degrees was the original angle. So split it into 47, 47. Mine was 50 and 44. So I was 3 degrees off, but no big deal. It's about estimation and seeing what you can see. All right. So again, just wanted to show you that we're not perfect in this class. You don't need to be. Just be yourself. Okay. So good luck with this homework assignment. Let me know if you need help.